Stop guessing ls-l. Read it like a pro. Ever run ls-l and squint at that wall of text? Give me 3 minutes and you'll read it like a pro. I'll decode each column, show you how permissions actually work, and walk through a real example. The ls-l output has 9 columns. 1. Permissions and file type, the first 10 characters. 2. Links, how many hard links point here. 3. Owner, the user who owns it. 4. Group, the group that owns it. 5. Size, bytes by default, add H for human readable. 6. Month, last modified. 7. Day. 8. Time if recent, or year if older than 6 months. 9. Name, the file or directory. Now that first column is the tricky one. Character 1 is the type. Hyphen means a regular file. D directory. L symlink. C character device. B block device. S socket. P pipe. Characters 2 to 10 are permissions in 3 groups: owner, group, others. Each group is R, W, X, read, write, execute, or if it's missing. R lets you read a file or list a directory. W lets you edit a file or create delete inside a directory. X lets you run a file or enter a directory with CD. Demo. Let's decode a real line. Hyphen. WXR-XR-1 Gotham Students 1024 21 13 to 30 script.sh. Start with hyphen RWXR-XR- means it's a regular file. Owner RWX, full control, read, write, execute. Group R-X, read and execute, no write. Others R-, read only, then the rest. 1 hard link. Owner is Gotham, group is students, size is 1024 bytes, last modified October 21 at 1:30 p.m. Name, script.sh quick tips. Use ls-lh to see sizes like 1K or 2M. Use ls-la to include hidden files. Want newest first? ls-lt, add -r to reverse. Changing permissions. chmod 755 file gives rwx for owner, r-x for group and others. Recap. Column 1. Type plus permissions. The real story. 2. Links. 3. Owner. 4. Group. 5. Size. 6. 8. When it changed. 9. The name. Read it left to right and you'll instantly know who can do what, who owns it, how big it is, and when it changed. Try it now. Run ls-l in your project folder and decode 3 lines. You'll never gloss over this again. Like, share, and subscribe to SoftTech Explorer. More bite-sized Linux power moves coming up.